This is the worst day of my life.
It always is.
Bro, I'm back here trying to hold the camera, hold myself up, and hold my titties because it just hurts. Like it just boom, 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 boom. Like,
What's good,
goddamn.
YouTube tribe? You know what it is, man. It's Vontae here with you. Another day, another duty. Today, we're actually finna dump our big gray trailer, man. We did a lot of fire landscaping transformations with this trailer last year. We actually started our business with this trailer, and it blew up. Ended up getting this trailer, but today we're dumping our big gray trailer, and this trailer has been packed down with leaves from the fall. The snow just hit us out of nowhere and kind of, messed up everything. We kind of would have used this trailer throughout the wintertime, but it's honestly been sitting here packed completely full of leaves and branches. And today we're gonna go dump, and we're gonna show you how much it costs to dump a full load of yard waste in our area. And appreciate y'all for tapping in. Like, comment, and subscribe, and join the tribe. Let's get it. I know these things are matted down like crazy. This place has just a flat rate for trailer sizes. I ain't gonna lie, man, that guy was in there yapping away. I haven't seen him in a while, but let's get this out of here. As of right now, it's 11:36.
Babe, I don't know how we're gonna do this. This garbage can is frozen in here. Like, bro.
Let's see if we can get this out of here, man. Stuff is frozen. I don't know if I can get my tarp back. Shit. Probably should have waited till this thawed all the way. I don't want to wait any longer, man. You gotta go on this side. Jesus.
Whoa. Bitch.
So you got it turned on?
Yes.
On the handle?
Yes.
You prime it
I push him button.
10 times? This sucks, guys. shit.
This is the worst day of my life.
It always is. Every time we come to the slave place with the utility trailer.
Worst day of my life.
That's it. Man, how many leaves we have in here?
What's the circumstances for you helping? Y'all got a stressor coming for this? I know y'all got some fruit.
I'm gonna put this down for a second. Cut camera up again real quick.
It's just in the ball. It's really from the ground.
Fuck.
This is right. Yeah, babe, you weren't gonna get at the bottom of this whole part.
right, man, Jesus. That took us 30 minutes. No bueno.
Ugh. Jesus.
Yep, these are some fat ass logs.
Let me just throw this tree over my shoulder. No big deal. I started emptying out the trailer and all of the leaves were frozen, like solid. So we already paid $100 to friggin' empty it. I'm gonna say, keep me down for the 10th because I'm probably gonna need you.
This thing's empty though. This thing's a hauler though. We can haul junk with this thing and everything.
Mm-hmm. I'm back here trying to hold the camera, hold myself up, and hold my titties because it just hurts. Like it just boom, 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 boom. I'm like, God damn. You gotta check the tires, feel like all of them flat.
If you watch this full video, you could appreciate the work that it took to get this out. This tandem axle trailer cost $100 at Slaybog to dump. And my phone camera is gonna die right about now. All right, now we got the trailer dumped. Now I'm about to go wash this truck, man. Get this thing nice and shiny. We got a vacation coming this Sunday. We're going to Mexico. So yeah, man, tap in. I'll be doing a little vlog.
Catch you, freeze off my kneecap. I forgive your weak acts, hustle just ain't you. Aside from the hell and I feel like a motherfucker on a soul, so brother and I. That God could protect us from the wrong, so that all the soldiers that was sent overseas come home and we will never break, though they devastate. We shall motivate, and we gotta pray, all we gotta spay. Instead of thinking of I know it ain't easy, but that's okay, 'cause we hope.
thank y'all for watching the video today, man. We about to go home and just clean out the garage and just got a pretty relaxed end of the week here, and gonna get ready to go on vacation. So like, comment, and subscribe, join the tribe, man, and we'll be taking some nice shots on the cruise. Gonna be flying to California, or gonna be flying to Arizona, then California. We kind of got like a layover in order to get to California, because the tickets were kind of expensive. And then gonna get on a cruise, and we're gonna go to Mexico with all the stuff with the cartel and everything. It should be fun, but we're not going deep in Mexico at all. Thank y'all for tapping in, man. Like, comment, and subscribe, join the tribe. We out.